the center of circulation and really the rain-free center of this. You can't really see it in visible imagery or infrared imagery. You can't really see an eye, but you can definitely see where the eye would be here. And it's starting to get a little bit more convection all the way around it. A lot of this lifespan here, you've seen a lot of the rainfall displaced on one side of it, primarily the east side of it, but now it's becoming just a little bit more circular as it approaches the North Carolina, South Carolina coast. Looks like it's going to make landfall not too far away from Myrtle Beach a little bit later on tonight. Current winds are 70 miles per hour sustained. It's moving north-northeast at a pretty good clip at 16 miles per hour. That forward speed will increase dramatically over the next 12 hours. And again, it will make landfall probably not too far away from Oak Island, maybe over toward Myrtle Beach, and then head through all of eastern North Carolina and into southeast Virginia. And it's going to cover a lot of real estate between 2 o'clock in the morning and 2 o'clock in the afternoon. About 360 miles through that 12-hour stretch, so about 30 miles per hour on average. So it'll be accelerating rapidly as it moves through the area. Tropical storm warnings all up and down the eastern seaboard. We've got them in here as well. 35 to 45 mile per hour sustained winds, gusting to 60 at times. And then as far as rainfall goes, 3 to 6 inch swath of rainfall. And some areas will get more than 6 inches of rain. It looks like the strongest winds will be displaced a little bit east of the heaviest rain. The rain will be over to the west a little bit, right through the Richmond area. So lots of very heavy rainfall for us here, and a flood watch is in effect for all areas there in green. We still have some rainfall out there right now, some heavy rainfall from near Spotsylvania on up north through Fredericksburg. And then a few sprinkles around the Richmond area. Heavier showers out near Mosley and Midlothian, down near Winter Park as well, in Chester, down toward Osborne Landing and around Petersburg. And then really heavy rainfall, McKinney to Purdy, Alberta, and South Hill with a few rumbles of thunder in there. All of this continues to lift to the north. That'll be heading up into the Richmond area. So rain's going to be picking up here over the next hour to an hour and a half. More rain developing down into North Carolina. For more on your forecast, let's go over to meteorologist Mike Stone. Mike.
Well, Zach, it is pretty cool compared to how it was a few hours ago. Our high at Richmond International today hit 90 degrees. Tomorrow will be the first day that we don't hit 90 since July the 9th, and just about a third of an inch of rain so far today at the airport, but we're going to get significantly more over about the next 18 hours or so. Temperatures right now are in the 70s for most of the area. It's currently 79 out at the airport. And as we take a look at what's going to happen over the next 24 hours, we'll still have some showers and storms around this evening. There's that batch coming up from North Carolina. These showers and storms will be with us this evening, and then tomorrow morning, especially closer to daybreak, that's when the heavy rain starts coming over the state line as the center gets a little bit closer. You can actually see the center here kind of spinning around there just east of Richmond. So heavy rainfall through mid to late morning, and then that pulls on out of here, and we'll just see the chance for a few scattered showers during the course of the afternoon, maybe a rumble of thunder, but most of the heavy rain will be done in most areas by about midday. However, though, with this storm center spinning, it brings the winds in off the water where they encounter no friction. It hits the land, so we may get some spin up, so we could have some isolated tornadoes. Best chance this is going to be right along the coast from parts of the northern neck and middle peninsula down into Hampton Roads. We'll keep an eye on it. Now the normal possibility you may see a few isolated storms with rotation in the metro and points westward, but the best chance of it will be near the coast during the day tomorrow. Chance of rain very high in the morning. We're talking about 100% chance through the morning, through about mid to late morning. Then after that, the chance of rain will start decreasing during the day. Our high tomorrow of 84 degrees, but then we're back up to near 90 on Wednesday, and we'll spend the rest of the week between about 85 and 90 degrees. We'll have just a chance for a few widely scattered showers and thunderstorms each day, and we'll have overnight lows staying in the 70s.